Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you're there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. And every kiss and every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 59, NASDAQ off 30, S&P's down 7.5. Gold contract up $10, trading at $1,284 an ounce. You have golds in it, confirmed ABC structure on the way up, folks. You get a price projection of $1,313. That's a 1-to-1. Silver's up 19 cents, $18.45. Looks like silver's going to run for the $19 area. Platinum up $2, $9.71 an ounce. Copper down 6.5 pennies, $2.54 a pound. Light sweet crude off 46 cents, trading $52.94 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 10 ticks, 125.26. 30-year bond up 18 ticks, 153.17. Now both notes and bonds, also ABC structures on the way up. They took out their B points, took them out with volume. What they also did, which is pretty powerful, folks, is that notes and bonds were in a 4-month consolidation, and it got up over, and it's away from that baby right now. When you look at the notes, the next number in the notes, you're talking about 126.5 right now. You're at 125.26. The third, that's the 10-year. 30-year, we're at 153.17, and you're talking a 156 level. So they're big numbers. The 10-year right now is yielding 2.259. It's making its way down into that 2.2, which is pretty amazing. King dollar down 502 ticks, trading at 100.120. King dollar, folks, bottom line came down out here today, a half a penny. King dollar, we'll go through this, but King dollar has failed once again at that 100.600 mark. That sets up, guess what, longer term, that sets up a 91 King dollar. And right now you're at 100. The euro is trading at 106 to the U.S. dollar. The yen, that came down hard just a few minutes ago. That is at 109 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so SPY is down $1. You're at 234.03. And this can kind of get interesting because what we just did here have, let me see this at the close. You just had a little explosion with volume coming into the close out here. Yeah, we just did, interesting. So you did 1 million, that's not that much. Well, you did 1 million shares at the closing price. You're 68 million. Yesterday, we did 85 million. You didn't have a rejection at lower price, so guess what? Coming into tomorrow, you don't have to bounce. You know, this thing just might go down to the 233. Now, if it does go down to the lows and you get a light volume day, that's saying it will bounce next week. My take is just the opposite right now, actually. We'll see how that shakes out, meaning that what I'm looking for is actually a bounce tomorrow with light volume. The banks are going to be coming out with the banks are coming out with their earnings tomorrow. You get J.P. Morgan Chase. You have Citigroup kicking it off, and I expect they're going to bounce on light volume, and then guess what? Sell away next week, big time. Dow Industrials, they were down $59. Yeah, that's set up for a little bounce. That's set up for a little bounce. The composite, the NASDAQ composite, we take a look at the composite we have with the composite. Composite right now is down $30. And volume-wise, what we did out here inside the composite is that you did 1.6 coming into 1.8. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, is a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. This confirmed ABC structure on the way up. We had taken out the B point last Friday, took it out with volume. It turned into a complex one because it had given it up on price. We had come down with light volume, took off again yesterday with volume, took off again today. You're up $10, you're up $11 right now. You're coming into the long weekend. The gold in the metals pit closes at 1:30 tomorrow. And don't be surprised if this is up at 13 13, and it gets it in a couple days, folks, because that's once we launched the 1268 area, which was the high, which took quite a bit to get into, the 27th. What we're doing right now is that we're coming into the election, and thus far you've already eaten through the 11th. We're already into the 9th and the 10th, and that's the bottom line. That is right where gold went from 1347 to 1279 in one day. So don't be surprised if you're not at 1347 like in a heartbeat. That's kind of how that sets up. And when we talk about the gold market, folks, if you come over to our website at TFNN, you're going to see we have a special on the gold report. That's only for the next 4 days. Gold report is normally $85 a month. You can get the whole year for $750. And simultaneously, we have a Tiger dollar sale going on. So you can buy $600 worth of Tiger dollars, which gets you $750, which gets you the gold report for the full year. So check it out on the front page of TFNN. Silver, bottom line, also caught a bid topside. Silver right now is trading at a price point of $18.46. Silver's on its way up to this $19, and that would also bring you back to where the downdraft started on Election Day. 10-year note, bottom line, also fast, furious, all of the above. Deviant, there's no two ways about that, meaning that the deviant move is that, the Fed's going up on rates, and guess what? The market is saying, no, we're going down on rates. So we're at 125.26. This wants to go to 126.5. Big number there. 30-year, same type of setup inside the 30-year. 30-year right now is trading out at a price point of 153.16, and you're talking about a 156. And good old King Dollar. If we go over to King Dollar, what you're going to see in King Dollar out here is trading down 500 ticks. You're at 100.115. That came down. You have 21,000 contracts. This is on the way down into the 98 area. If we do put up the continuous contract in King Dollar, what you're going to see is that King Dollar right now is at 100.115, and the failure, folks, is 100.600. That's saying King Dollar can go down to 91. The reason for the fast move about a half hour ago in King Dollar is that Trump was on CNBC saying the dollar is too strong, and China is not going to be a currency manipulator. Bottom line, it took the dollar south, took gold north. We're going to be right back, folks.
It's that time of the year again, and that means the Spring Tiger Dollar Sale is back. TFNN has just announced that our best Tiger Dollar Sale of the year is back this week only. Right now, you can get up to a 50% bonus on whatever you spend on Tiger Dollars. Tiger Dollars can be used for any TFNN newsletter or service and are a great way to add extra savings to any TFNN product. Tiger Dollars never expire and are fully transferable. Whether you're a current subscriber or plan on purchasing anything in the future, this is a great time to get your Tiger Dollars. Remember, this sale ends Sunday and we're closed on Friday with the market, so don't delay. The Spring Tiger Dollar Sale with the potential to earn a 50% bonus on your purchase only comes around once a year, so don't let it pass you by. For all the details and to get your Tiger Dollars today, visit the front page of TFNN.com.
Has the current market volatility continued to stop you out of trades when the market spikes against you? Now is the perfect time to open up an account with Nadex. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a brand new, completely regulated Chicago-based exchange, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their completely free trading platform, which also features real-time charts and full customization capability. One of the advantages of trading with Nadex in volatile markets is that your risk is always capped and you have the ability of keeping your trades open even when the market spikes against you. Nadex is completely brand new with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com. Or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors.
Are China A-shares hot or not? If you trade China A shares, now may be time to take a closer look. Trade CHAU or CHAD, Directions Daily CSI 300 China A Share Bull and Bear ETFs. China A shares in either direction. Visit directioninvestments.com today. An investor should consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the Direction shares carefully before investing. The prospectus and summary prospectus contain this and other information about Direction shares. To obtain a prospectus or summary prospectus, please contact Direction shares at 866-476-7523. The prospectus or summary prospectus should be read carefully before investing. An investment in the funds is subject to risk, including the possible loss of principal. The funds are designed to be utilized only by sophisticated investors such as traders and active investors. Distributor Foreside Fund Services, LLC.